friends, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up in the US, and today it's a tip video, and I have a few tips to show you how to do the splatter there. You see, and it's many ways to do that, but I find a few things that it's kind of recycle your product at the same time and so on. So let me share first some time you're going to see to take your stamping marker with the brush and then you flicker this. You see that it's going to take an abuse on your tip. It is a way you can do it that way if you want, and you can see I got lovely splatters there. Now we're going to go without using our marker and do stuff that you can do differently and have many colors. I got an aqua painter here, and if you get an old aqua painter, even better, a good way to not toss it out. I'm just going to add some rubbing alcohol in here, and you can fill up and use it over and over. And I should have more. Here we go. It's just a scrappy paper, that's okay. So I got alcohol in here, and I'm using the 70% rubbing alcohol, okay? Now, oops, you could use any color, like I said. You can take your ink pad, and you don't have to put it in the case. You can take clear block, just tap it up on the side of the, and now we get the blue. I'm using Pacific Point here, so we're gonna make sure this is very wet. Now I'm gonna take some color. I'm still in the view here, right? And then I'm taking my finger, and voila. See how simple that was. And then the beauty of alcohol, it's that it dries super fast. So see, now you just remove that. Now I don't have nothing there. I can use another color. So I did blue, and here we go. I'm going to do red here. Do again, and then the same the same aqua painter, you're going to come, et voila. Now I got my red. Also, you can squeeze it more so it's very like dripping. See now, and then I'm gonna have bigger dot because it's very wet there. So now we get that. My old table, it's splatter right now. That's okay. Give some character. Now this here, I just wipe them. You can use hand sanitizer if you want. Oops. Or baby wipe, whatever work for you. I'm just wiping them on my inky rag here. And then of course you can use the alcohol there and just clean that very lovely. So that was with the aqua painter. Now let's crank it up a notch. And how many of you that you think your wink of Stella, it's over, it's nothing in there, you squeeze and squeeze and it's nothing, right? See, I squeeze nothing. Well, open this up here. I'm sorry, this is a inky rag. Well, I just put my mouth on it. That's it. Had to squeeze something. Gonna put that there, and in this here, we're gonna put some alcohol in it. So I got a video on this. It's called Recycling the Wink of Stella. That's about the same thing here. So now, if you recycle your wink of Stella, you're just going to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol in it because you don't want it to wash up. But here, now when I was squeezing, it was nothing left. Now look, when I squeeze, you can see all that. It's still stuck on the barrel and at the bottom. So now you can do this with your wink of Stella, and I'm putting, let's make sure it's plenty here. Here we go, way plenty now. See, now I got my Wink of Stella splatter all those little drop, and you can keep on adding. So you just squeeze till it moves. So this going to be, I'm going to put on it here that it's more just see, I got some all over. Now I did the same thing than this one, and this is from my old video a couple years ago. And what I done in this one, it is, let me shake that good here. Oh, and one more thing. One second. Back up the bus here. Beep, beep, beep. Let's use Melon Mumbo. And let's use a different color cardstock so you can see. I'm going to use, here we go. I got Blushing Bride here. So we're going to use Blushing Bride. And I got the Melon Mumbo there. Want to make sure. Okay, that's the one that we did. We put more alcohol in it. You can do the same thing with color and without the next one I'm going to do. You put it on your block here. Just make sure it's squeezed good. So then then you want to wipe this, because if you don't wipe it, the next one, whatever color is, it's kind of sucked in. So just make sure that it's no more color. Voila. And now we're going to wipe this. And I like this here, just that alcohol that I got in this to wipe my block also. Now we're going to wipe that. Here we go. So now you can see I got the Melon Mumbo on the Blushing Bride, and I got some in the back of this too. Now, just like I did earlier, we thought it was completely empty. It's not, and I recycle it with putting alcohol in. You can have like alcohol marker with a little bit of shiny. After a while, the shiny won't be there anymore, but at the beginning, absolutely. So I just add a few drops of re-inker in that. The video of this is going to be right at the end. But this is the same thing. See, this one is Wisteria Wonder. So I can, let me do right here because it's white there. So just squeeze a bit. And then you just put on your finger. Et voila. Now I get all my wisteria. See, with a hair, that's a bonus. The wisteria. So that was a way to recycle your Wink of Stella. And after a while, like I said, the shimmer is going to be gone, but you still can do the splatter. And also this, you can color. Let's see, can you see there? Yeah, let's see that I would have a stamp image here. I'm making a flower or whatever. Let's say it was stamp. I can color with this. See, I got my Wisteria Wonder that we don't even have that color anymore. So really I could use it like with Island Heather. But you see, you can color, and it dries super fast. See, it is dry because alcohol dries super fast. It's not like water. So remember, alcohol dries super fast. Now I got the same thing in this one. In this one, it's all olive. I marked I should put maybe a piece of tape around with the cardstock. So I didn't use them for a while. So when you didn't use them for a while, you want to shake, shake, shake. And now, that's okay, I'm going to put it in the bag. See? I got very lovely, shiny green here. See how pretty it is? So that's my best advice to recycle your Wink of Stella, or you can use it without, if you don't have an empty one, you can use it and use your ink if you want some, or just do it like on dark cardstock like that. Absolutely, you can use a new Wink of Stella. But if you get some that you thought they were empty and you didn't toss them in the trash yet, never toss a Wink of Stella. That play, when all the glitter is gone to, it can play like an aqua painter. So it's many things you do with that, but really the video today was on how to make the splatter. So at the end of this video, I will have the video of my recycled wing of Stella. And also, I'm going to have the video on how to do this background with the garden shed. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.